Alright, so I just got in the mail 3 Paramount War Booster boxes. So I'm going to be opening all of them in this video. It's a very big stack of packs, along with the promotional packs and booster packs. So there's that. I did let my roommate open 6 packs, and so out of those 6 packs he pulled, we have an Odin, super rare, and then he also managed a gold border secret rare Kuzan. So we're down 1 hit already, which is totally fine because I wanted him to have some fun with opening packs, but nothing major out of the rest of his stuff, except you got 3 leaders, which I collect for the cooler looking cards, but the leaders are pretty cool anyways. So there's still alts from that box potentially, but yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna start ripping. I'm going to attempt to do this very quickly. This is 3 boxes instead of the one that I did in the last video. It's like the same exact pack that I got earlier. I know this one's a good card. Alright. 1 down. So, the goal of this video is we are on a hunt for Manga Ace. If I don't get in this, I don't see myself going for many more packs of Paramount War. So besides this, I might have 1 more box coming. I honestly don't know. So, alright, so I got duplicates in my 4 packs that I've opened. Onto the promos. From the promos, we're looking for the Corazon. This is a Toki. I will take it. Toki's pretty sweet. A little time travel girl. Oh, her son is very annoying. Oh, I take out another squad. Don't care for that. Just wanted Corazon. I don't like duplicates, so. Oh, I haven't got this one before. And then a koala. Cool. Might have to buy the Corazon on the second-hand market, unless one of my friends pulls a duplicate. So we shall see. Alright, here we go. Usopp, Whitebeard, Atmos, Wano, Kabuki, Tashigi, Corazon, Whitey Bay, Suru, Masked Deuce, and a Magellan Rare. Very cool. I got the Magellan Rare last video. Didn't actually notice I pulled it, but I looked after the fact, noticed it was different from the shiny rares, and so I was able to actually admire it then. But very cool card. Hannibal and Hina, along with the Shankston. There's 1 of the 3 off the board already. I didn't set the packs in any way to know which box they're from, so it's pretty much all going to be a mystery at what point I pull my hits, but looks like the exact same pack as the one before. We got Whitebeard, Luffy, and the Seaquake. I've been noticing that these holographics, that the hollow looks super clean on them, so just another reason to enjoy opening these packs. Just gonna do this. Yeah. Alrighty. 4 down, a lot more to go. We got Blue Boy, Crocodile. Ooh, alright. Ivanka of Rare. Pretty much only thing I'm looking for are a few alts. But I just really don't want duplicates, which so far it's been duplicates. Smoker. Yeah, I also really like the navy cards. The black looks super clean. So I'm hoping for the alts of Aokiji and Akainu. Okay, phone filled up on storage again, so I had to delete some videos. Sorry about that. Alright, and we got Garp and Mr. 3. Yeah, so as I was saying, the Navy cards look really cool. Actually, someone in my Discord server was kind enough to tell me that they were going to send me a starter deck for the Navy, and so I got pretty excited about that. So shout out to Pro Creator for that. But there we go. That's one of the cards I'm looking for. That looks super cool. Alright, yeah, so pretty much just looking for Navy cards along with, I know the Odin alt is really cool. Looks like we got another rare in this pack. Sanji, Judgment of Hell, Smoke, oh, never mind. I was looking up that Smoker though. Speaking of Smoker, I saw someone, a friend in a different server named Very Stoned, let me know of some new One Piece statues that were for pre-order today, so I grabbed I made a Smoker statue, which is one of the characters that is pretty cool, but you don't really, I wouldn't have expected them to make a Smoker statue, but they did, and it looks really clean, so I ended up grabbing that along with a Blackbeard statue and a Sabo. So those are pretty cool. I'm gonna be making some statue reviews on the channel, and along with that I might just end up showing off my collection as well. I have a shelf worth of statues. I've got some of the $20 ones from Van Presto, but I've started expanding into the more expensive region, so I can definitely show those off. We got another Luffy, pulled that in the last video. Still a really cool card. I got hits last box where I got the Ace, not the manga version, but the fiery one, and the what's his name? Masked Deuce alt. So the Masked Deuce alt and the Ace alt, along with the gold border Uta secret rare. So I like those. I also got the Whitebeard, which I guess the Whitebeard is going for about $25, but this is also the hype prices, so that price will definitely be going down eventually. But they're still really cool cards to have. Oh, looks like we got something here. Is this another Odin? Yes, it is. My third Odin. It's my favorite card out of the set, so I am not complaining at all. I'll show it off just why it's so cool. Yeah, it's a lot of detail for a not ultimate. Yeah, I didn't show any of these off. So there's the Borsalino, Luffy, Ivankov, Magellan, and then my two Odins. Well, now three. Yeah. Alright, just keep ripping. We got Usopp, Kabuji, Ivankov, Leader, Marco. I love Marco. Marco's another character who's a little under the radar, but he definitely gets his love. Alrighty. Done. There we go. There's a cool one. Whitebeard, rare. Another fun thing I love about opening cards is, even though it's super tedious, the sorting of the cards into number order. It looks like our first alternate Yes! Sweet! That's exactly what I'm looking for. Alternate navy cards. Let me show that in better detail. Wow. That is amazing. I love the foil. Foil. Obviously, I love the foil because I can't think of the word. Details. Foil details that they added. But yeah, very cool. Alright, we got a leader and shinies. Gotta love the shiny cards. I'm going a little heavy into one side. I gotta start evening out my choosing of the packs. Sengoku and Marco. Alright. Paramount War was such a great arc. I like Whole Cake a little bit more, but Paramount War was definitely... You were not leaning back or relaxing when that arc was going on. It was constant action, just locked in the entire time. So, alright. Still on the lookout for Manga Ace, though I don't expect I'm gonna get it, which is fine. I got the alternate, which is still a pretty sweet card. We're getting close to halfway there. I'd say we're probably about a third of the way in. Yeah. Okay, we got another hit. Ace. Got this one in the last video. Still very cool. Oops. Now I've just decreased its value. Now I have it because it's not getting sold. Oh, and the Secret Uta. Look at that really closely. Not what I wanted. Definitely not. Don't care for that card. It's not worth anything anyways. But now I have two of them. So that means I only have one more chance potentially at a Manga Ace in my tall stack of cards. Nice. Carrot. Challenge leader and secret. Looks like we got something. And it's Whitebeard again. That's my third Whitebeard. Not complaining at all. Kobe and Joe. Oh, looks like we got something. Kuzan, sick. We will take it. I'll show it off in detail. That is very cool. My phone, it says I'm doing pretty good on time for the video length, so just gotta keep chugging. Smoke repair, Garfield Luffy. Cinnamon. Box right here. Sure you. Yeah, I was looking at this one in detail afterwards, and yeah, very cool looking foil on that one. The floor is just becoming a mess of pack papers. Another ace. So far, 1 alt, 2 secret rares. So hopefully I get the lucky boxes and I pull a few more alts. That would be very cool. Well, I pre-ordered these boxes ages ago, and so the price was only about 90 bucks a box. So, yeah, that's a rare. Okay. So yeah, I didn't pay as much as the box we're going for now, which is pretty nice because it's easier to make back my money and value-wise. Double Namis, I guess. My 3rd Nami. We got a leader, a brook, and a buggy. Got a good amount left still. Probably a booster box worth. Sure you and Kobe. Shiny Shiki. Ugh. Sanji, Carrot, and then a Gum Gum Brain. Oh, these piles are getting tall. It's definitely gonna be a good amount of sorting I'm gonna have to do. Alright. Same exact pack. So a few times we pulled the same paper. Back to back to back. Alright, what do we have here? It's a Magellan. Very cool card. Happy about that one. And that's my 3rd one. Here, and a Vista. And my 2nd down. Alright, so the 1 down left. Probably, hopefully, an alt or 2 left. Maybe 1 more secret rare. Smoker. Deuce and a Sakazuki. That's sweet. Haven't pulled that one yet, so that's cool. I know when I first opened up my 2 boxes of them that's done, I was like, oh, well, I definitely want to try and complete the entire set. Then I noticed that manga shanks existed. Those hopes went down the drain very quickly. And on top of that, I live in Wisconsin, and I don't know if there's a big trading card sort of following for this sort of stuff, but there's not a ton of card shops around me, and so finding retail packs is a little difficult, if not impossible. I have 5 belows around me, but every time I check. They always say they're out of stock, so opening packs that way isn't really a possibility at times. There's my third Dawn. But yeah, so it really seems like whatever I purchase, whatever I pre-order, is probably going to be the only packs I open for each set, which is totally fine. Don't really want to break the bank buying trading cards. Just have fun opening them. So oh, we got something. Little Sadie alt. Very cool. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. That's a cool one. Not really what I expected. That kind of almost looks like a box topper in my opinion, but an alt is an alt, and I will definitely take it. Hina, the lady who talks about herself in the third person. So, 2 alts, 2 secret rares. I am not complaining. Smoker, along with a Sengoku and a Marco. Alright, looks like we have about, I'm gonna say about 15 packs left, so I've had my fun. I'm gonna go have even more fun after this, sorting everything. And I'll give a recap of everything that I pulled. Oh, looks like we got something. This is another my 4th Odin. That is great. He's in my top 3 favorite characters, so I am not complaining. Oh, I'm gonna have to give a top 3 on the spot. Number 1's Cortisone, aka Doflamingo's brother. Oh, just a nice, very cool. Another Kuzan. Alright, so Cortisone's number 1. Then we have Odin at number 2. Sheesh. Number 3. I think number 3 might have to be Zoro. Zoro's really cool, but I think if I were to think it through, I'd probably choose someone else as my number 3. Little Sadie. Nice. Right. Getting very close to the end. Let's hope for some last pack magic with an alt. Another Ace and a Vista. Cool. Marco. Got a leader, Magellan, Brooke, Buggy. Oh, what's this? Another little Sadie alt. Very cool. It's my first ever duplicate alt, I think. Full duplicate, duplicate Shanks secret rares last, or in my Romance Dawn, but it's my first duplicate alternate. That'll definitely be up for trade. Yeah, still a cool card. Oh, so we got something in this pack. It's my 2nd gold border secret Kuzan. That is really cool. that one's actually worth a little bit, so I might attempt to recoup my cost for these a little. Maybe not. Oh look, are all the hits coming at the end? Another Sakazuki, very cool. Alright, down to the last 3 packs. The last pack magic is real. I'm hoping for one more alt maybe. Oh, we got something. Another Whitebeard, very cool. Let the hits roll. And it's nothing. It's okay though. Alright, last pack magic. Can we get an ultimate? Alright, I want it to be a surprise, so I'm gonna keep it very... No. 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 Wano. Dobon. Strawberry. Crocodile. Ice Age. Robin. Minicoala, Shiki, and Kobe. Still very good pulls. I'm extremely happy with my box. Alright, I'll go over the pulls really quick, and then I will get this recording over with. Whitebeard, Sakazuki, Ace, Kuzan, Odin, Magellan, Sakazuki, Magellan, Nami, Ace, Kuzan, Whitebeard, Ace, Whitebeard, Odin, Luffy, Borsalino, Ivankov, and a Magellan. So that's our super rares, I think. Now for my alts, got Real Sadie, and my favorite, Sakazuki. And then finally for these secret rares, we got a Kuzan, Uta, and a Kuzan. So we got 2 Kuzans, 2 Utas now. And then finally to wrap things up, we got 3 Shangstons, which are 1 per box. So, alright, well I appreciate everyone who made it this far. Well, 3 box stoppers too, but I appreciate everyone who watched this long. I had a lot of fun opening these, and I hope you had fun watching. So have a good rest of your day. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this. I'll be having videos whenever I find content. So, yeah. Thank you.